Hello, my name is Smilecloud and I'm Global Training and Education Specialist in coDiagnostiX here at Stroma. During this video, I'll show you how to integrate Smilecloud 3DNA into coDiagnostiX workflow to design prosthetically driven surgical planning. The idea is simple. First, we define the ideal restorative outcome in Smilecloud 3DNA, and then we plan the implant position accordingly in coDiagnostiX. First, we need to create the blueprint in Smilecloud 3DNA. To start, we upload all necessary files like portraits, intraoral scans, and any additional patient data like the CBCT. Next, we adjust the prosthetic position to achieve the ideal aesthetic and functional outcome. Simply click on the tooth you want to modify and drag it to desired position. You can use the gimbal tool to rotate or scale the new shape. At this stage, we are defining the final position of the restoration, following aesthetic parameters such as the patient facial features and functional parameters such as occlusion. Once the blueprint is ready, we can export the design as an STL file. What we are exporting is the exact shape and position of the selected teeth, because all of the files come from the same patient and share the same coordinate system. Alignment inside of coDiagnostiX becomes smoother. To start, we click the Export button in the top right corner and select only the design we want to transfer. Now, let's open coDiagnostiX. Since the case has already been created in coDiagnostiX and the STL and CBCT files have been added previously, everything is ready for smooth integration. To import the wax-up design from Smilecloud, we select Import Model Scan from the top menu. Then we click Load Model Scan and find and select the Export Digital Wax-up. To keep the exact position that we planned in Smilecloud, we choose Copy Alignment. Finally, we click Next and then Finish. The wax-up is now our prosthetic reference for implant planning. This allows us to perform true prosthetically driven implant placement, ensuring that the implants are positioned to support the final restoration. Using the digital wax-up as our reference, we select the correct implant system and dimensions from the library. Then, we position the implant in relation to the planned crown. Adjust the depth, angulation, and measure distal position directly in the 3D view. Next, we evaluate the emergence profile. Click the restorative space and confirm that the implant axis supports the final restoration. At the same time, we verify bone availability and anatomical safety in the cross-sectional views. This helps us to ensure ideal emergence, correct angulation, and predictable restorative outcome. By integrating Smilecloud with coDiagnostiX, you can carry your aesthetic design straight into the surgical planning. This workflow allows you to design the final position of your restoration in Smilecloud 3DNA first, and then plan the implant accordingly. Thank you for joining me. I hope these best practices will help you to get the most out of integrating Smilecloud into surgical planning workflow. Until next time.